Rolling into Canyon City, you're looking at a strip of pavement carved along the spine of an ancient ridge. With nothing but sheer drop-offs on both sides and no guardrails to save you if you get it wrong. Built by prison labor over a century ago, this road was never meant for wide modern bikes or distracted riders. It was meant to show off just how high and exposed this cliff really is. Locals still talk about white-knuckle drives up here, and when the wind kicks across the Razorback, you feel every gust of wind pushing at your bars, every inch of that narrow lane closing in. Today, we're taking you from the stone arch at the base all the way across to the top. No video tricks, no fancy cuts, just what it's like to put your tires on one of Colorado's most unforgiving pieces of asphalt, and trust that you and your machine are up for it. Welcome back, guys. We found the oddest little road in Cañyon City on this part of our trip, and it was called Skyline Drive. And it was a one-way little road that went basically just on top of this little, it was kind of weird how it was. It was just like a little ridge in the middle. One side was the highway, one side was the town of Cañyon City. And so you can only go one way, and it's literally only about not very wide, maybe tiny. Yeah, like it felt tiny on a motorcycle. I can't imagine people were driving cars over it. Yeah, that is, I would probably not have done okay, but for some reason when I'm on a motorcycle, it doesn't feel as scary. Sorry, Diana. I think Diana had her eyes closed on the whole trip. Probably Heather too.
I think Heather did too.
I think Heather and Diana. I don't know about Leslie and Tammy. Tammy was probably good.
No, they love it.
I would say I don't know about Leslie. I think Leslie was okay. But anyway, Diana and
I think John
Heather,
had his eyes closed.
John probably did have his eyes closed. Yeah.
He's driving and he's got his eyes closed.
Anyways, I know Coach Ed only had one eye open.
Yeah, he only carries one eye. So it's all
anyway, but yeah, it was super fun, and it's just a little quick. Yeah. It doesn't take very long to do, but it was so cool to see. Yeah. And I just thought it was crazy that it was just in the middle of just the two areas. It was so weird.
Pretty wild. Yeah. It was a great little ride.
It was super fun, and we had a great time. And coming down was a little bit nerve-wracking because the curves were like literally like
a back
so
turned.
Tight. Yeah, like I was tight. Like holding on like this, thinking, don't move, don't lean, don't do whatever. I'm trying to hold the camera. And anyway, it was interesting, but we made it. And it was fun. We had a great time.
I hope we made it because we're here making a video now. So
it's not.
If not, we're in trouble.
Grave, so
but yeah. All right. Well, we're going to do our shout out of our two channels. We're going to go with a military theme for us today. Both these two channels are former military individuals that are subscribed to our channel, do a lot of communication and contact on our videos. So thank you so much for doing that. The first one we're going to call out is Freedom on 2. Again, as I mentioned, former military, actually rides with a pretty small group, about 3 people. And he definitely likes the little dragon. You know what I'm talking about. And then from there, he actually rides to go to cigar shops and have bourbon and cigars.
That sounds fun.
It's a fun little ride, little videos, and brings a lot of enjoyment to the ride that he has. Yeah. So thank you so much for being with us. And his channel's been growing. He only has like 16 videos, almost already up to 500 subscribers.
Cool, way to go.
Crazy. So awesome job. Fun channel to watch. Go check it out. Our second one is Mozak Rides Again. Again, former military.
Is it Muzak or
No,
Mozak?
It wrote it wrong, so it is Mozak.
Okay.
Rides Again. He's also a former military soldier. Took about 25-year hiatus off a motorcycle and is now back on it. Does some really cool videos, and so go check out his stuff. He also does a ton of comments on everybody's videos. I see him all the time putting comments on different people that we're subscribed to. So again, Zach, thank you so much for subscribing to our channel, being a part of this, and we really appreciate you. I also have another one, Spider Wayne. He rides a Can-Am Spider, obviously. And man, I will tell you, every single time I watch his videos, the laughter that he brings to riding it's just unbelievable. He's always giggling when he's riding, and it's the little things that he sees that he brings to life on his videos. And Spider Wayne, man, I just love watching your stuff. So
where are they all located? Are they?
They actually are all on the East Coast.
Okay.
All of them. And matter of fact, Mozak and Freedom on 2, you guys actually live pretty close to each other. You might want to check each other out because you
not in a weird way.
No.
But, you know, go ride together.
Yeah, I was going there, but yes. I don't even know what to say now. I'm like lost for words after that.
Sorry, it just popped in my head.
Yeah.
Thank you very much for watching.
Yeah.
We really enjoy it.
Yeah, we appreciate you.
So thanks for liking and subscribing our channel. We appreciate it. So thanks for liking and subscribing to our channel. We appreciate it. We love to see comments from other people who do the same thing we do. And it's just part of what makes this fun. Yeah. And hopefully we can see you guys out on the road one day.
For all of our military, for all the things that you do to support our country and the freedoms that we have to be able to
support you all the time. But this year's extra special being the 250th anniversary of our country. And we just appreciate all you do for us and all that your family members, everybody in our everybody that we know that is military, you have no idea how much we have so much respect for you. And,
Absolutely.
And we're so appreciative of everything that you do. So thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you so much for being a part of this. Like and subscribe. Mild Hogz almost said of Glimpole.
What?
I almost said a Glimpole. We'll have to do this again. So thank you very much for being a part of this channel.
Like and subscribe.
Woo! Mild Hogz. We'll see you on the other side. We finished. Oh.